Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For our today's video ay tungkol sa Awit Awards on P2Pop Himig Hanto. Ba subscriber to our YouTube channel. Gusto ko likes, shares, comments, and views at aabutin ng 500. Support natin sa ating social media ka. Ang ating title of the latest vlog, P2Pop Himig Hanto sa Awit Awards for 341 and episode 341. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin anong mangyayari and watch now. Ayan, nangyari last Thursday, June 5, 2025. Yan. Kasi, ang release na po sa Facebook at Instagram pages ng Awit Awards or social media pages ng Awit Awards. In-announce na ang 38 Awit Awards approved entries. Approved entries muna daw. Hindi pa final, di pa finalized. Pero, nakapasok ang mga P2Pop Himig Handog songs na yung 38th edition ng Awit Awards. And, for the song, in no particular order, there will be random order. Yes, simulan na natin in random order. Let's start with number 1. Dini na Lang by Jolly Ann. Dini na Lang by Jolly Ann ay approved entries for Best Regional Recording in Cebuano and Best Performances by a Solo Artist para sa kanta ni Jolly Ann from Careless. Congrats! Second is Mahiwaga by Vision. Best Pop Recording. A P-pop group from CS Music. That good luck, Patrick, sa Stars on the Floor. Congrats! Mahiwaga by Vision. Susundan naman ay Langit Lupa. Best Alternative Recording at Best Collaboration pa. Ayan. Siya, sa music video, ito ay rock alternative genre. Ito yung about the mental health. Yung may bagong buhay. Kung good versus evil. About that. Congratulations to Cheka, Andre, and Laika Estrella. Kaya nawalay na naman. Estrella. Susunod ay Tulala by Chantel, Celine, and Extrapolation. Kasi Extrapolation para sa Best R&B Recording and Best Collaboration. Unfortunately, hindi kasali sa Best Regional Recording ang kanta. Best R&B Recording lang at saka Best Collaboration. Not in regional recording. Sayang naman. Susunod ay kanta ito ni Noah Alejandre ay Taliwala. Tama ba to? Taliwala. Best Pop Recording naman for the song from Davao City. Si Noah Alejandre, Davaoenyo. Pero hindi po hindi po regional song. Kundi ang kanta yan ay Tagalog at hindi English. Now, let's go into the next is Kimo Gumatay's Ghostwriting. Best R&B Recording lang. Good luck, Best R&B Recording to Kimo Gumatay. The Ghostwriting, composed by Kevin Yandao. Dance, Choose, and Fun, Fun, Fun. And finally, we have one of my favorite song of my life. That's 8pm by Icy Guerra. Best Traditional Folk Contemporary Recording and Best Performances by a Solo Artist. That the music video about Ice and kanilang asawa na si Liza Dino. Ayan. It's called the Traditional Acoustic Song by Icy Guerra. Here are our next to announce the 4 winners and special awards. Meron kasali sa approved edit, including Makis Korba, Best Pop Recording at Best Performances by a Solo Artist. Congratulations! Wow, the third place sa Philpop Himinando, which is Papa Hiram by Moira kasi Moira De La Torre featuring Jonoy Dana for Papa Hiram, Best Ballad Recording and Best Collaboration. Congratulations! While the second best song, first runner-up, which is Ferdinand Aragon's Buhi, Best Regional Recording in Boholano, and Best Performances by a Solo Artist. Congrats! And the grand winner of Philpop Himing Hando, which is a song by Pana featuring Tiara Shanks, Wak Paglaruan, Best Pop Recording and Best Collaboration. Congratulations! And ayan, Wak Paglaruan, grand winner. Congrats, Pana and Tiara Shanks, and good luck. But unfortunately, 11 lang yung nasa approved entries. But sadly, wala yung kanta yung isa. Sayang naman. But congrats, good luck sa ating approved entries, Kobe, in the finalists in Awit Awards 2025. Malalaman natin coming soon. Maraming salamat, Awit Awards, and hope to see you next vlog. Bye. God bless.